1 in 3 women worldwide experience sexual or physical violence during their lifetime. 38% of women murdered are killed by an intimate partner, yet less than 40% of survivors seek help. This is not just a statistic, it's a call to action. Silence is not an option.
We are 10 Humphrey Fellows from 9 different countries across the world, united by one mission. Although our cultures and backgrounds may differ, we all face the same truth. Violence against women knows no border. It affects every community in every corner of the globe. We stand together to speak out because change can only happen when we confront the harsh realities we share.
Violence against women affects women everywhere, but some groups are especially vulnerable. Women belonging to minorities, indigenous women, forcibly displaced and stateless women, women in the institutions and detention, women with disabilities, elderly women, women in the situation of armed conflict are especially vulnerable. The world must listen to their stories, and we should amplify their voices.
Policies to tackle and prevent gender-based violence must go beyond words. They should include special measures to address the situation of those facing marginalization and intersectional discrimination. The unique needs of racialized women, women with disabilities, sex workers, those experiencing homelessness, and people of diverse sexual orientation and gender identities must be recognized and acted upon.
16 days campaign against domestic violence against women is more than a moment, it's a movement. But awareness is just a beginning. We must press for lasting change for the women, everyone and everywhere.
Every journey of a survivor is unique and every story deserves to be heard. Our responsibility is to support each survivor and empower them to heal, and also prevent others from experiencing the same pain. Every step forward and each voice raised bring us close to a world where safety and dignity is not just a privilege but a basic right.
We as Humphrey Fellows and human rights professionals stand united against gender-based violence. We condemn it in its all forms and manifestations. We vow to use our knowledge, skills and passion for inclusion and equality, because true justice cannot exist without equality.
It's time to challenge the status quo. We must call on governments, institutions and communities to address the root causes of gender-based violence, whether through education, legal reform or grassroots action. The power to make the change is in our hands, and we won't stay idle.
Every woman has the right to safety and dignity. Speaking up is not just an act of bravery. It's a call to uphold human rights. To those who are still silenced by fear or oppression, know that your voice can and will be heard.
Your right to a life free from violence is universal. Together, our voices can be the hope for change. This campaign is not just a fight against violence, it is a fight for a world where equality, respect and dignity are the standard. We stand with you and we will not stop until every woman is free from violence.